Data visualization is merely making data visible in the form of images such as charts, graphs, and maps. These pictures help you spot patterns, trends, and stories hidden in the data. It makes the information easy to comprehend and communicate. It helps answer questions like, what patterns and trends can we find? Is there anything unusual appearing? Can we compare various numbers across time? What is the message the data conveys to us? When companies process more data every second, visuals assist them in understanding it at a fast pace. If they do not, it will be time and money wasting. But effective visuals avoid that and save resources. Where do we apply data visualization? You can find data visualization in weather maps, air pollution graphs, income statements, and Facebook statistics. It facilitates individuals to make intelligent and swift decisions in various fields. Tableau, the most suitable tool to visualize data. There are many tools that can be used to display data in pictures. This is helpful to data professionals when presenting results or to decision makers using business data. Tableau is an excellent tool. Why learn Tableau? Tableau is a very handy tool that allows individuals to transform large collections of data into easy-to-look-at charts and reports. It is popular with data scientists and business leaders alike because it is quick and easy to work with. What makes Tableau a good tool? Simple to use. You can drag and drop data, no coding needed. Supports multiple sources of information. 10 easy Tableau learning tips. 1. Visit Tableau charts online. See what other people do with Tableau across industries. It gives you great inspiration. 2. Engage in the Tableau community. Join Tableau gurus on social media. You can get advice and insights from them. 3. Read Tableau books. Start with starter books like Visualize Your Data by Daniel G. Murray, Sharing Data with Tableau by Ben Jones. 4. Identify the skills you require to use Tableau effectively. It is helpful to know how to utilize data, Excel, Google Sheets, basic math and stats. 5. Practice a lot. Download Tableau and experiment. Share your projects using Tableau Public and observe how others do it. 6. Use free datasets. Search for free data online to exercise. Visit sites such as Kaggle or public data discussion forums. 7. Make a portfolio. Make dashboards and display your work on the internet. Check out the Tableau Public Gallery for inspiration. 8. Share your projects. Share your dashboards on GitHub or similar websites. Ask for feedback to improve your work. 9. Join a Tableau group. Connect with others learning Tableau. Some companies use Tableau, and purchasing it can be a career booster. You can take a class with iCertGlobal to prepare for the Tableau Desktop 10 exam. Conclusion: learning Tableau is a practical option if you want to comprehend and visualize data in a simple way. It is easy to use, accommodates most data sources, and enables you to make more informed decisions with simple to understand visuals. If you get trained from organizations such as iCertGlobal, you can acquire good skills and develop your career in business and data.